everybody. The whole blockage up on 81, Highway 81. There's build up everywhere. Be easy coming down this way. Easy going to Syracuse and all that. Everybody be easy. There's a whole build up. Please come slow.
Send me a picture of that shit, man.
Alright.
Or whatever you do.
It's a video. Damn. That's crazy, man. I'm so glad we ain't on that side. What the fuck?
Dang.
Across Pennsylvania and New York, a violent winter storm shattered travel corridors, turning interstates into collision zones as visibility collapsed, pavement iced, and traffic density transformed sudden slowdowns into destructive chain reactions. Emergency crews described twisted frames, shattered glass, and leaking fluids, while ambulances navigated closures to reach injured motorists, many suffering minor to unknown injuries amid freezing winds and prolonged roadway shutdowns statewide.
This car caught on fire. There's a whole bunch of buildups everywhere. Oh, sir has his foot broken over there. Oh.
We have a guy up there.
Along Interstate 90, near Erie and Harborcreek, jackknifed semis blocked westbound lanes. Compact cars were crushed between trailers, and long queues of trapped vehicles stretched backward into dangerous whiteouts with smashed panels.
It's bad, man. Oh, pile up here. There's a gentleman up there.
Reports from the Clarion corridor indicated several distinct crash clusters, where initial impacts triggered secondary collisions, amplifying destruction as following drivers encountered immovable traffic walls hidden by blinding snowfall and icy darkness.
Why there's so many accidents out here on 80. Huh.
Rapid weather deterioration proved decisive, as heavy snow bands erased sightlines within seconds, eliminating reaction time and turning routine braking into uncontrolled slides that multiplied impacts across already congested interstate corridors region-wide. Commercial trucks suffered torn trailers and collapsed cabs, while passenger vehicles endured roof crush, broken axles, and deployed airbags, leaving many cars disabled beyond recovery and contributing to extensive debris fields statewide.
Cuz, I'll call you in a minute if you want to live.
Emergency crews described twisted frames, shattered glass, and leaking fluids, while ambulances navigated closures to reach injured motorists, many suffering minor to unknown injuries amid freezing winds and prolonged roadway shutdowns statewide. State police, transportation crews, firefighters, and medics coordinated mass responses, setting detours, triaging patients, and preventing fuel leaks or fires, while stranded drivers waited inside vehicles for controlled evacuations amid severe cold. Medical response logs confirmed hospital transports from several scenes, with patients treated for trauma and exposure, underscoring how prolonged cold, stress, and delayed access compound risks during mass collision winter emergencies on highways.
Got minor injuries.
Car got smashed really bad.
Everybody has minor injuries. Very cold. Greatest thing, we didn't get hit. Thank God for that. We did not get hit at all. And I thank God 100% on that one.
Closures lasted hours as wreckage was cut apart and hauled away. Salt trucks struggled against ongoing snowfall, and damaged guardrails, signage, and pavement surfaces required inspection before traffic could cautiously resume safely. To reduce secondary crashes, uninjured motorists were moved from travel lanes, sometimes by bus or escort, allowing responders to clear lanes, document damage, and restore limited mobility safely amid ongoing snow squalls.
Okay. There's a gentleman up there.
Investigators emphasized weather as the dominant factor, while acknowledging individual sequences remain under review, including speed, spacing, and vehicle condition. Details typically clarified after comprehensive reconstruction analyses of each collision scene later. The events reinforced hard lessons for drivers: that snow squall conditions demand extreme caution, expanded following distances, and early speed reductions, because once visibility collapses, escape options vanish instantly amid fast-moving traffic flows.